Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best thank you card for your business by using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome option from here and what the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that simply type in www.canva.com in the top navigation bar and it will simply take you to the Canva login page. Simply put the Canva login credentials there and simply log into the account, and after that here you have to simply type in the template. So let's say I would like to type in the thank you card and then click on thank you card for business. Then here you have to click on enter, and here you can see that there are lots of options that you can choose from here. So let's say I would like to click on this one, then click on customize this template. Please note that there are some free version of the template and there are some paid version as well. So for the paid version you need to purchase the Canva Pro to use, and here you can see that it has already take us to another tab where you can edit each and every section by clicking on the each part. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.